Good morning, Benton Heights Tigers. It is Miss Chapman, your school social worker, here with your morning kickoff. It is Friday, October the 16th, and we're going to start off with a few birthdays. We have Darwin in Mr. Winchester's third grade class, and we have Michael in kindergarten in Miss Winchester's class. This weekend, Zyerica in Miss Moat's class has a birthday, and Matilde in Miss Hillary's class. So happy birthday to all of you, and those of you on the weekend, I hope you have a great birthday. We also have a teacher birthday. Happy birthday to Miss Hillary, a 5th grade teacher. We hope you feel so loved this weekend. Like Mrs. Maragda said on Monday, we were in your classes a lot, introducing ourselves and talking about school counseling and school social work. We talked about feelings and all of the changes that have gone on this year, and really just wanted to tell you that we are here for you through all of these changes. So in 2 weeks, your school counselors, Miss Love and Mrs. Maragdis, will be back in your classrooms with more lessons on dealing with all of the change this year. So they're really looking forward to seeing you and welcoming more students back into the building later this month. Again, we are here for you. You matter. You are important. And we'll see you around. Bye.